Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Vercel. All right, let's begin. First, log into Vercel and select your project. You will see the project's current Vercel domain. Now, we will connect a custom domain. Click on the project, then go to Settings in the top right corner. Select Domains. Now, open your GoDaddy account. Go to Domains and find the domain you want to connect. Copy your domain name. Back in Vercel, paste your domain into the domain section and click Add. Next, choose Name Servers as the method to connect your domain. Click Enable Vercel DNS. Vercel will display the updated name servers. Go to your GoDaddy DNS settings. Click on Name Servers. Select I will use my own and replace the current name servers with the ones provided by Vercel. Save your changes. Propagation can take up to 48 hours. You may need to enter your GoDaddy password to confirm changes. Refresh to ensure the name servers have updated. If you see an SSL error, wait for the certificate to generate. Once updated, your domain will connect to your Vercel project. So, that's basically how you can connect GoDaddy domain to Vercel. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.